Down. Hey! Nope. Stay. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you. I am a bloody mess today. Not that I'm not a mess every day, but I'm really a mess today. November and December are the busiest times for me. Looking after dogs. And these dogs are driving me crazy. Down. Do not play with me today. I love them.
Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet.
Don't get me wrong. I love them. I really do. Okay. You know, but they're driving me crazy. What are you eating? You are, no. Because it's hard trying to get things done while you're also watching dogs. Oh. Just a lot going on. Do you have to eat that there? Out you go! Are you eating the toy now? Oh my goodness, that is sweet. No more toys for you. But, you know, enough about me. What's going on over there with you? Okay. Okay.